Got a Whirlpool washer. Tons of options, top of the line for this series. Running a very heavy towel and jeans load through, and we have moved past most of the wash and agitation onto the rinse cycle, and everything's working perfect. Agitator works great. It's very strong. The drain works perfectly. So what I'll do is let it finish up its cycle, and we'll come back for the final spin so that you can see that it's not shaking around and it sounds good. And that final thing we'll check is make sure that all the water spun out of the clothes correctly. Alright. We are also working on the matching dryer, which is also a Whirlpool. And real quick, I'm letting it heat up, and I just want to show you that it is heating properly. We're going to move that heavy load of clothes over as soon as it's done finishing that cycle, so you can hear it and see it in action with a full load. But right now I'm just running it empty. Just want to show you real quick that it does heat up like it's supposed to. And here's my little heat gun. Outside temperature is about 65 degrees, and you'll actually probably be able to see that it's still red hot coming out of the heating element tube. Obviously very warm. Outside temperature here, so good to go there. Just wanted to show it off. Back over to the washer. It's on its final rinse. Just rinsing through and agitating those clothes. Like I said, mostly jeans and towels. Doing an excellent job. As soon as it switches over to high spin, we'll get that shot for you. Alright, it finished the final rinse. It is now going into the high spin. It is a very heavy jeans and towel load, so we'll see just how well it does. It's doing an excellent job. It's very quiet. Very minimal shakiness, if at all. Yep, it sounds great. So the last thing we're going to check is, as soon as it's done, we're going to pull those clothes out, kind of wring them out, and make sure that there's no extra water, and that it did in fact spin out all the water like it's supposed to. And there it is done. So we will grab these clothes here. Excellent. These are nice, light. I just like to grab a pair. Excellent. Okay, let's dig all the way down to the bottom. Grab a nice big towel here. Great. Alright. As you can see, there's no extra water in there. Those are nice and light, ready to go over into the dryer. And we'll go ahead and throw them over there and let you hear that. We already showed that it's heating, so make sure it's got a real good sound to it when loaded down with a good load. And this is a really nice capacity size here. No problem doing blankets and all kinds of stuff in these guys. So okay, we've got this guy all loaded down, and like I said, you can see it's a huge capacity. It makes that huge load look small. So go ahead and close her up. Just go ahead and put it on time dry. It doesn't really matter. And it sounds great. It's not shaky. There's absolutely no sounds at all coming from the bearings. Of course, all the wheels and all that, bearings and everything were cleaned and greased. So it's going to run and operate like brand new. Yep, sounds excellent. So these two are ready to go. Of course, we're going to do a final clean and any touching up that needs to be done, but we will get these listed up for sale, and appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thank you. Have a great day.